Excel program is for people, young kids who dream of going to college one day, and it really helps you because in the summer, like now, we get to do fun activities and interact with other students.
It is like a great opportunity, not only to get to know more about like college, which what it's about, but like to get to know other people.
I think Excel's a they focus to make everyone have a better chance at getting the most from middle school or from school in general.
I am the school counselor, and we talk about like leadership skills and everything. We teach about like how to become better versions of ourselves, to create like what we see in the future of ourselves. So I known about the Excel program for about 7 years, and I've seen a lot of growth and potential in kids when they want to go to college or university, or have some post-secondary plans for success. And I just think it's a really good opportunity for kids with first-generation standards for them to explore and find themselves a little bit out of the box and to become again like better versions of themselves than when they first started in 7th, 8th grade before they go to high school into the Upward Bound program.
Our Excel program services middle school students, grades 7 and 8, at all 3 of the middle schools in Danbury. That's Westside Middle School, Broadview Middle School, and Rogers Park Middle School. We service approximately 25 to 30 students in each of those schools. We are looking to recruit some students for next fall. That would be September 2021.
You should join Excel because you get to have a lot of fun and have field trips every week of the summer, and you get to meet new people and do things that you have never possibly done before. I really enjoy it, and I think other people would too.